What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Nene Borsellini, back with another video. And today, we have the Motor City Mayhem from Motor City Casino. And I got 2 wings that I baked myself. And I have some mac and cheese from Cattleman's. I don't know if I'm going to eat this lettuce. I'm not... Ugh. Girl, I will vomit. Like, let me throw that some damn where. Shit. Anyway, that shit look nasty as fuck. Anyway, I see, I see some red onions. I see some tomatoes, some bacon. I see the bacon. 2 cheeseburgers, 2 slices, and some pickles at the bottom. Okay, let's get into this then. But first, y'all know I want to hit my blunt. And probably take a little sip from my little frozen cup. But you know it's that, it's a little drink. A little alcoholic drink. I need to hit something. Need to hit my little roach tail. Y'all, I'm still going through it with this, y'all, let me know in the comments if y'all have ever experienced like a spiritual warfare or something like that. Let me know in the comments, because that's what I'm going through right now at this point in my life. I'm in the midst. Like, I know I look good and all or whatever, and I keep it, you know, I don't be trying to make myself look like what I'm going through or whatever. But I am in the middle of a spiritual warfare, okay? And it's gonna be ugly. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna be ugly, you know, cause somebody gonna walk away with their motherfucking ass hurt, okay? Currently, I have a divine masculine that is attached to a third-party karmic, and you know, we're just working through this and seeing how we're gonna get through this, because I mean, she has a spell on him. Like, I already did, I already went to my spiritual counselor. She has a spell on him, and it's just, you know, we gonna see if we can work through this spell. I'm ready to fight through this war. Some people, this is why I say some people, you know, couldn't walk a mile in your shoes, because you never know. Then we're gonna get into some tarot card readings. Y'all know I love me some tarot. But, oh my God, I can't believe this bitch. Like, y'all gotta tell me. I don't know how much time. I better hurry up too. I tried to erase a lot of storage on my phone. I mean, on my iPad, so that I would be able to record this video that I'm recording. I had to erase a lot of stuff. Okay, so let me open up in prayer. So damn. Okay, so I want to open up in prayer. Okay, so let me take a moment to acknowledge and thank the Holy Spirit for residing in my temple, my spirit guides, my divine ancestors, as well as all my angels and love and light. I do rebuke the low vibrational beings and all negative forces. I do command all evil eye to go blind and all monitored spirits to go deaf. Any dark and negative energy that does come this way, it will be transmuted into the peace, power, love, and prosperity. I do speak this in the name of the divine, so this prayer does reach the Most High Creator. Okay, and with my ancestors that resides closest to the sun, please send us a message regarding these third-party clearance rack ass bitches with they we had an Eight of Swords, y'all. Somebody feels trapped. Okay, somebody feels trapped in, let's see what this card that fell on the floor. Somebody feels trapped. We had an Eight of Swords and Ten of Wands. Somebody feels trapped and somebody feels like they're carrying a very heavy burden. It looks very heavy to them. They're feeling trapped and they're like, that's, but see, that's what happens. Okay, the High Priestess flipped out. Okay, we had a High Priestess. Somebody is thinking about the Divine Feminine, but they're thinking about also about all those burdens they're carrying. Please, Spirit, please give us one more. The Chariot. Somebody wants to come in with a message. Somebody wants to come in. I see black and white statues. That could signify number of reasons. Maybe interracial couple or something. I don't know. I see what I see. Thank you, Spirit, for somebody is really carrying some burdens. Please, Spirit, give me another message. This is the Six of Swords. Somebody wants to walk away. Somebody wants to walk away from the let's shuffle this a couple of times. Somebody wants to walk away from the current situation that they're in to go to the High Priestess. Somebody wants to walk away. Somebody wants to drop all these burdens to go to the High Priestess, but they're trapped. They're trapped. Wow, please, Spirit, give us a message and enlighten us on what is... Wait a minute, Spirit. Okay. Okay, the Judgment. This is a judgment call from the, I think somebody from like a crossover loved one. Somebody is always giving to people. Somebody is very generous, very, but they're giving to the wrong people. They shouldn't really be giving it all. Like, I don't know. Maybe they just, King of Swords. There goes the King of Swords. See, somebody is... This is a mess. And we had a Judgment card. Child. Somebody got themselves stuck in a rut, okay? Because, somebody, it could be a baby mother, baby father. It could be, you know, take it how it resonates, y'all. It could be a wife, a husband, you know. There's karmics, there's divine masculines that's married to karmics. Oh, Spirit, do you have another message? And then we can go eat. Okay, 3 more cards. I'll take the last 3. Then we can eat. Oh. Okay, I see the Tower card. So something is a Tower card. Something will be coming to an end. Because this person wants unity with the Divine Feminine, which is, they see you. Oh, I gotta cover her little breast because she's naked. They see you as the star. Okay, so we're gonna take a break from the tarot. These are your messages. There's a tower that's about to happen because this King of Sword right here, he's giving too much. He's giving too much to too many people. He's tired of it. He's giving too much time, too much energy, too much devotion. He wants to give to the High Priestess. He wants to give love, time, offerings. There's a judgment that's been made from the Most High. You see those people at the bottom rejoicing. He wants to go towards his 9 shining star. He wants to have a divine happiness. But right now he's feeling trapped. He's feeling like he's carrying a lot of burdens. He feel like he straddling along with the karmic, and he feel like he needs to come to the end. Okay, so we're going to Child, what is y'all out here doing in these streets, y'all? Oh, girl. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Y'all, let me go put this cheeseburger back in the freezer. Oh, I ain't slipping out. I mean in the microwave. Oh, mm-hmm. Mm. Motor City Casino. Yeah. I'm gonna put this plate in the freezer. I can set in the freezer. I got my drink in the freezer. Mm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. We're gonna get to the bottom of this, y'all. It sounds like somebody out there needs a spiritual cleansing. Because you're attached to this karmic. You don't know what the hell type of spell this thing done put on you. You don't know what type of spell that heifer done put on you. You up here running around like a chicken with your head cut off and trying to impress a female that you don't even really want to be with. It's crazy. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. No. Let me know in the comments if that resonated with y'all. Oh, let me eat some of my mac and cheese. Man, child. There ain't nothing going on. Girl. And y'all know Muriel had her baby, y'all. Girl, but I heard she wasn't even able to hold the baby. I heard she wasn't even able to, like, after the baby came out her coochie, I heard they took that baby instantly to another room. And it was gone. And she ain't get to see it after that. Mm-mm-mm. Nigga, when you gonna learn? Like, that was just nasty. You don't want to get on birth control. You can't have kids in your custody because you're highly abusive and neglectful. But you don't want to stop popping them out. I don't get it. Mm. Y'all, I went to Red Lobster yesterday because on Tuesdays they have on Tuesdays Red Lobster has crab legs for what, $25? Mm-hmm. So I do have a mukbang to do later on for that because I did take some leftovers. I also had the lobster pizza It's all in my refrigerator. It's all in there. Mm-hmm. I had got the crab leg, Cajun, butter sauce with the potatoes and some lobster mac. Oh, um, good burger, good. So I can't wait to eat that. I got a crab leg, um lobster, a lobster pizza. Mm, mm. Um, and then I might really want some. Um, show your stomach while you eating. Alright, y'all. I ain't showing my stomach on this public platform. Yeah, I make a OnlyFans for that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I make an OnlyFans. I'm not gonna be showing my stomach on YouTube. No. So I thought about it. I said, well, shit. I'm gonna make an OnlyFans and put all my videos on there. The fuck? The hell? I sure would. Everybody loves to see Bert. Bert. Bert all day on OnlyFans. Yeah. Oh, they Bert hot. Child. Fucking around with that tarot that made my food cold. Look at this. But some of y'all is out here in these karmic situations, and y'all, I know y'all ready to knock a bitch head off. I just know y'all is. But and y'all been contemplating it because y'all been thinking like shit. I think it'll be worth knocking her motherfucking head off for what? 9 months probation and a little whole ass court fee. That ain't nothing, child. That's why I said, let me catch her. Let me catch her. Let me catch her, bitch. I want all this bread. I don't know, let me catch you. Bitch, you be on the ground. I don't want to threaten nobody. I don't want to threaten nobody. But bitch, you better stay out of my way. Okay? It's best that you do. Because I can tell you the type to call the police. You don't want it with me. So, y'all gotta tell me. This is definitely a spiritual warfare. So y'all gotta tell me, what the hell? Like, what the hell is going on? And girl, some people think I'm crazy. Like, no. Oh, this burger getting too sloppy now. Like, it's getting too... Oh, girl. This burger don't even want to act right. Some people think I'm the damn problem. Girl. It don't be my fault. I ain't even do nothing. I ain't do nothing. But be me. But see, what I learned is motherfuckers will hate me. Probably because they don't have whatever the fuck I got. Whatever the hell it might be. People will hate you. I don't have time for them hoes. Move around. Girl. This burger is sloppy. It ain't nothing going on. Girl, that burger done fell apart. I ain't even gonna touch the wings. If you eat that whole damn cheeseburger, you a fat bitch. I said what I said. I'm saying, no, I'm just joking. Girl, I'm full now. I don't want these wings. Say some bullshit. I see a lot of hair on them. Like, look, y'all. Like, y'all see all that hair on these wings? Let me see. Probably can't see it. Oh, I see it. There you go. Y'all see? I'm not eating that. Like, I'm throwing this shit away. No, thank you. No, thank you. Y'all, I'm ready to smoke a blunt. light my blunt. Alright, y'all, I'm done burping, I'm done eating, I'm done doing all that bullshit. Now we about to get back into some more tarot. Cause baby, we not playing with these motherfucking karmics, babe. They about ready to get their butt whooped. Okay? I don't have no time for these. We don't got no time for these bitches on the clearance rack. Okay? That's not what a divine feminine or a divine masculine does, baby. Hit that blunt. I don't know what these bitches talking about. After I make this video, I gotta go get me some more Rellos. Okay, Spirit, is there any more closing messages that you want us to know about the divine masculine, the divine feminine, and any karmic entities and any karmic parties and anything you want us to know, Spirit? Y'all, we're going the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands. They want to rush in. They want to rush in with a message. They want to tell you something. Yes, they want to offer you this, their wine. They could be possibly, they could possibly be thinking and dreaming about you. This, yeah, they could possibly be thinking and dreaming about you. Like this, I see somebody dreaming and then wake up hard and then finish jacking off to maybe your pictures or the thought of you or something. So let's have a look as to why does this person feel like now is not the right time? Why? What does this person? Oh, because they're in hermit mode right now. Thank you, Spirit. They have a lot of digging to do. They have a lot of they have a lot of soul searching to do. You know, because they're new to this. This is possibly the first time they've ever had this soul search. Spirit, what do you have to say about the karmic, Spirit? What do you have to say about the karmic? What do you have to say about the karmic? The Queen of Cups in reverse. The Queen of Cups in reverse. This karmic gotta go. That karmic gotta go, baby. That Queen of Cups in reverse. She gotta go out here. But I think the divine masculine is thinking, whether it be maybe if that's his baby mother, he's thinking of ways to like co-parent with the children outside of the home, or like if he's a husband, he's thinking of ways to like get a divorce, seek legal counsel, and sometimes that's what you have to do if your heart leads you to somebody else. And I mean, you're not happy in a situation that you see this person over here waiting on you and their divine entity, and you're just in their what's this? 9 of Pentacles. This is a divine feminine in her 9 of Pentacles, baby. See? Okay, thank you, Spirit. What else do you want the collective to know about this this karmic? It's a nasty situation. They're taking their time and they're really thinking. They're really doing a lot of digging, a lot of thinking, because they want to go towards the divine feminine, but they're looking at their cup and they're saying, like, you know, I don't even know if this cup will be set, you know, if the divine, I don't even know if the divine feminine will even accept my cup, because probably because the karmic done drank the divine masculine dry. That's what I'm seeing. You know, being in a relationship that's, you know, like that is draining. That's why I told you in the beginning. It's draining and they feel trapped. They're carrying all these burdens and they feel trapped. So, Spirit, what message do you have for my divine masculine that feels trapped? Spirit, do you have a message for my divine masculine that feels trapped? Spirit wants me to shuffle. So, let me know, you guys, if you want to book a reading. I do charge $25 for 25 minutes. Okay? Very simple. All you got to do is just hit up my Cash App or my PayPal. Okay, y'all. So, let's see. But this divine masculine does want you. This divine masculine thinks about you 24/7. This divine masculine can't get you off, can't get the collective off of his mind. Whoever this divine masculine wants to come towards, this divine masculine loves you very much. Yes, Spirit, do you have any? Okay, Eight of Pentacles. The divine masculine is working on it. That's what, continue working. The divine masculine, that's the message from Spirit. The Eight of Pentacles, continue to work. Continue to work on your pentacles. Because the divine feminine, she's already worked on her pentacles. Okay, she already got her pentacles. So the divine masculine needs to continue to work on his. Thank you, Spirit. Is there any other messages you want before I close out? Because I want to go smoke this blunt, Spirit. The Queen of Wands. That's how the divine masculine looks at you. This is how the divine masculine looks at you, collective. They see you as the Queen of Wands. I told you, they think about you. Look at them, thinking about you. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Where's the other one? God is holding that horse. Holding on hard to that horse. He thinks about you in bed. Possibly around midnight, I would say. So just know, sometimes around midnight, between the hours of midnight to maybe 4 a.m., your divine masculine is thinking about you. And they're, at the bottom of the deck, we have the devil, okay? We have the devil at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, this divine masculine has a lot on their plate. Dear Spirit, please tell me any messages for the collective. Any messages for the collective? This is giving like Aries, Leo, Taurus, Capricorn, Scorpio, Aquarius. Somebody can be a Virgo. Somebody could like the color red. Somebody could like the color pink. Thank you. I guess Spirit don't have no more messages because I ain't drew a card yet. Are you sure, Spirit? Oh, wait. It came. Oh, the Three of Swords. Somebody has to close out a chapter and somebody's going to get hurt. Somebody has to close out a chapter. Somebody's definitely going to be left out in the rain. Look at this. I told y'all. Somebody's going to be left out in the rain for sure because this chapter that hasn't ended yet, and this is what you're going through right now. You're going through a spiritual warfare. Thank you, Spirit, for your clarification. Can you also clarify the Three of Swords, Spirit? Oh, shoot. Sorry, Spirit. Can you clarify the Three of Swords for me, Spirit? Can you clarify the Three of Swords? Somebody feels so burdened, but they think that it's really worth leaving whoever the hell they with. Three of Pentacles. So to clarify the Three of Swords, we had the Three of Pentacles. This means there is a third party. And this person, it has to pick. I told y'all, somebody's going to get really hurt. You see those two women right there looking at that the divine masculine. The divine masculine. And look at it. They're looking like, which one are you going to pick? Which one? He's looking like, oh, well, you know, it's three hearts here. It's three swords here. One of y'all gotta go. Okay? And I don't think the divine masculine intends on it to be the karmic. I'ma just say that. I don't think they think that it's gonna be. See, they want it to be you. They want it to be you, the Queen of Pentacles. They want it to be you. Look, this is you after you received your offer from him. You're just staring at it like, unbelievable. I'm going to take care of this. I'm going to take care of his, look at you. You're like, I'm going to take care of his offer. Look, see? That just flipped out. He ready to go because he said that karmic is a thief. That karmic is a thief. Look at her. Look at how the karmic is looking at him with his back turned. While she's trying to run off with his little treasures and stuff. Oh, I told y'all that karmic is a nasty one. And he's looking like, what's left? I basically don't even have nothing left. I mean, I don't have, my divine feminine with me. I might as well go to the divine feminine. And that's exactly where they want to go. They want to go to the divine feminine. I told you. They say, I'll search all around this world. I will never find a divine feminine like the one that broke into my heart chakra. Okay, there go 3 cards done flipped out. Okay, 4, 5. That's 4, 5. Okay, so they want to share something with you. With the 3 of Pentacles, they want to share something with you, Divine Feminine. Oh, 2 of Pentacles. I'm sorry, because I was looking like, where the 3rd one? They want to share something with you. And you see that boat right there on that wave? That's their boat. That's their boat coming in. It's, it's waving in. It's coming in. It's coming. It's on the horizon. Look. Look at all those people that this divine masculine would have to leave behind once he jumps on his chariot and his horse and stuff. He's gonna have to lead them people standing around behind, or they're gonna have to come with him and join him and agree with what he wants going on. He wants this Ten of Pentacles with you. He wants this Ten of Pentacles. This is what he wants: forever happiness, everlasting love. He ready to walk away from all those Eight of Cups. Yep, Eight of Cups. He ready to look. There go the Nine of Cups. See? You have a divine masculine right here that's ready to walk away and risk it all. They don't give a damn what the hell the cost of what's the after effects, because they know that once they come to you, everything's going to fall into order. Divine order, because it's divinely guided. It's a divinely guided connection. Yeah. Let's see what fell on the floor. I'm trying to pick it up with my damn feet. Ow! God damn it! All right. The Justice card. There will be justice, y'all. Let me tell y'all. Your divine ancestors, your spiritual ancestors from the 5D realm, they're watching you. They're guiding you. This is divinely guided. You have like somebody from that has been crossed over, like a crossed over grandmother, or a crossed over mother, or a crossed over grandfather that is assisting you in this connection. My ice done melted a little bit. I'm ready to smoke a blunt though, y'all. Please, Spirit. The moon just flipped out. So, yes. And I can rest assure you, I can trust and believe me when I say the divine masculine thinks of you day and night. And they could possibly have a dog. I see pets here. I see dogs or animal. They could possibly have some type of animal. Look, this is what your divine masculine over there looking like when his karmic girlfriend or baby mama or wife over there be trying to hand him some coochie. That's what he want. That's what he over there looking like. He looking like, nah, I don't want that shit. I want what the divine feminine got. I want the damn divine feminine. I don't want your coochie. That's too many, Spirit. Please, Spirit. Please, Spirit. Yeah, and if y'all want to support the channel and help me buy some more tarot cards, let me know. That's too many. Like, let me take a sip. And see, that's what the karmic probably even knows about you. I'm getting, the karmic even knows about some of y'all. That's funny. And they're not even woman or man enough to step down. Like, they want to go through this battle with you, this spiritual warfare. The Emperor. There's the Emperor. There's your answer right there. That's your Emperor. But they sitting over there with the karmic looking like this. They sitting over there with the karmic looking like, But the Emperor sits on their throne looking at you, Divine, looking at, This is what the... Where'd that card go? Should I use the Queen of Wands? No, because I wanted to use the High Priestess. And I can't even find the High Priestess. I had the High... Oh. Girl, the High Priestess... That's what the Emperor wants to look like sitting next to you. Okay? Where the High Priestess at? Oh, here she goes. Oh, there. The High Priestess done left the building. I don't know where she went. Anyway, the Emperor wants his High Priestess. Okay? That's all I'm going to say about that. You don't want that karmic energy. That karmic is nasty. I'm telling you, the karmic used and abused him. Even if the karmic didn't even put their hands on that person. Like, it's emotional abuse. It's verbal abuse. The karmic can be, you know, I think the karmic is slick at the tongue or something. The karmic just always trying to be argumentative. Like... Okay, this is, justice will prevail because we had a world card out here and she don't play. Okay, we got the strength card. Somebody could be a Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Aries, Aquarius, or something like that. We got the world card. Things are turning in your favor. You just have to wait and be patient and wait for the change. Just be, you know, wait for the change. It's coming. So, like I said, y'all, if y'all want to support my channel, because this is my only deck of cards, but if y'all want me to have some, there go the Knight of Cups. Oh, he coming in. Oh. With the Ten of Cups. The Knight of Cups and the Ten of Cups. Y'all, somebody wants to love on you. Somebody wants to leave that karmic situation where she was trying to hand him that cup. And he was like, I don't want it. Yeah, somebody, this is what they want to do with you. Okay? Maybe blended families. If they have children, you have children. Y'all blend your families. They want to come in with this cup. So with his one cup, because he already know. Remember earlier I said you have 9 cups. So he want to come in with his one cup to make 10 cups. Okay? I'm telling you, it's going to be a beautiful, like, ending to a beginning. It's going to end one cycle. It's going to begin another. Thank you, Spirit, for the Ace of Cups. I'm not playing with you. I'm not playing. The Ace of Cups. Y'all, when he come with his one little cup, and y'all put y'all damn cups together, it's gonna overflow with abundance. It's gonna overflow, girl. You wouldn't even know what to do. You're gonna be having so many haters. You're gonna be having so many people mad at you because they want to know how you did it, what you did, what you do. Like but usually they just jealous because they're not on the frequency that you're on. Here go the 9 of Wands, and this is how the karmic gonna be left standing. This is exactly how it's gonna be left standing with her wands that she was over there thieving and stealing. All them wands that she thought was silver and gold gonna turn into wood, and she gonna be standing there looking like a damn runaway slave, girl. Girl. Yeah, okay, at the bottom of the deck, we have the 9 of Swords. Somebody is thinking of you heavy at nighttime. They're probably even crying about you. They're probably in the shower crying. Like, I could just see somebody, like, going into the shower and crying while everybody's out in the living room having a good time. Like, it's crazy. Thank you, Spirit, for your messages and your clarifications and everything. If you have one last one, I'll do a couple of more. Let's see if we don't get no messages. What's this? Yeah, the 7 of Cups. Ooh, they can't believe it either. They ain't gonna be able to believe it. It's gonna open up their eyes. They gonna see why they had all these dreams. They gonna see why you was on their mind 24/7. They gonna see why they started looking at their karmic a certain type of way. They're gonna see everything. It's just gonna all come together because, see, I don't think this is the type of person that's very spiritual like that. They're not really spiritual. They're probably religious. They're not really spiritual. Oh yeah. Let me see. 10 of Swords. And that person that was running off, girl, with all these swords, bitch, you gonna fall on them swords. You gonna fall on them swords. Keep on playing. See, keep on playing because you might get away with a lot of things in the 3D, in the physical realm, but in the 5D, girl, the 5D gonna take care of you. And there go the Lover's card to confirm it. There go the Divine Masculine and the Divine Feminine. And there go the Most High Divine that divinely guided this connection. It guided the divine from above, divinely guided this connection, these lovers, to come together, okay? And they're gonna come together and rejoice. And they're gonna it was divine. It's all divinely guided. I'm telling you, right? Thank you, Spirit. Any more? Do you see anything else you want me to tell the collective before I and like I said, if y'all want to book a reading with me, it's $25 for 25 minutes. And I want to support the channel. Maybe I need some more tarot cards so we can get into what's. I don't think Spirit got anything else to say. Okay. Yeah, there go the Death card. Something's gonna be closing out for sure. The Death card, the King of Pentacles. Yeah. Yep, somebody want to hand you something. Somebody want to hand you something. It's going to be a lot of fighting. It's going to be a lot of fighting when this Divine Masculine comes to you. But they don't even give a damn. Because at the end of the day, this is what they going to be standing like. They're going to be standing like that. Because they tired of these people that be walking around them with a crutch and stuff, and they gotta give and give and give, and motherfuckers just taking it. Girl, they ready to act a plumb fool. They ready to go off the cliff and walk off the cliff and go towards the Divine Feminine. And it's gonna be a very rejoiceful moment. And everybody gonna part their ways. They don't even give a damn. Because the Magician. Look at the Magician. See? Okay, oh, there go the Empress. There you go, girl. Stand up there. Somebody really has a lot of thinking to do because they just standing there on their horse. They ready to go. They got their bags packed. But they not telling the horse to go. They're not telling the horse to come to you. So that's your message for today. I hope it brings you love, light, and clarity. Okay, I'll be back with another message maybe later on today or tomorrow. All right, bye, y'all.